Nursing is human connection unlike anything many people know. You are seeing people in their most difficult moments, and you are saving people's lives through extraordinary measures.
That caringness, that lovingness, that's what a nurse is, and I know that's what I'm meant to do. My name is Nadley, and I'm a certified nursing assistant.
My name is Sarah, and I am a registered nurse.
I have been working at our local hospital for the last 2 years.
I remember the first day I saw Sarah, I was like, who let this little girl become a nurse?
She is my best friend at work. She's my work wife. We have just bonded over so many different little things. Our cultures being from the same island.
My parents are immigrants from Haiti.
My mother and her side of the family came from the Dominican Republic. They sacrificed a lot to leave their home country.
So I knew when I was young that I had to do something that would make them proud and also make me proud. So becoming a nurse is my lifelong dream.
So we bond through that, and then we also bond through makeup.
Oh my gosh. Scrubs really can only do so much. But to walk into Sephora is the best thing ever.
It's like a candy store. People at work make fun of me because I always have my lipstick in my pocket and I'm always reapplying it over and over again. But now, because of COVID, in order for us to wear our N95 masks, anything covering our mouth has to be clear of makeup.
So I just stick with my eyebrows, eyelashes to keep it simple. Because right now we don't have time.
I'm going to the 7th floor, which is our COVID unit. Got floated there, so wish me luck.
So working on the COVID unit for the last 2 months is extremely real and raw and terrifying.
The patients are so anxious, they don't know what's going on. There's no visitors, there's no friends, there's no family coming to see them. So you really have to be that support, that helping hand.
Nursing has become something even more personal than it has ever been. I've never had to, hold up an iPad to call a family member in a patient's last moments until now. That is something that is difficult for me to cope with at home, and it's a lot of grief that we are keeping inside as long as we can so that we can keep going. We are going 12 hours wearing an N95 throughout our shift. There's particles that could be COVID that we are walking straight into, but we still do it because we want to save as many lives as we can. Working on the COVID unit, I have seen another level of resilience in myself, in my coworkers, in our patients. During a job that can be really stressful, you might face some things that you never thought you'd ever see. But if you have friends that can get you through it, it really makes all the difference. Nadley, I've seen her grow. She is so kind, loving, and I'm proud of the nurse she's going to become.
Sarah, you're everything to me. I love you like a sister, and I'm glad that I met you through all this.
You're the best ever.
No, you're the best ever.
You're the best ever. I want people in the world to know that nurses are driven, we're strong, we are resilient.
This is what I'm meant to do.